Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video, we are going to see how to convert a PowerPoint file to a PDF. So this is my PowerPoint file. It has some text, icons, pictures, one chart, as well as a table. So I'll just try to convert it into PDF now. So now there are 4 ways to convert this PPT into a PDF. I will show all the 4 methods. Then you can follow any one of them, whichever is easier for you to follow. Now the first method is to directly save this file as a PDF. So just click on Files and then click on Save As. And then you can browse to the folder where you want to save it. Give a name to the file and then under Save As type, just select PDF. And I'll just add pp at the end so that later we can compare the file size of the PDFs which we are going to convert using different methods. And also make sure that this radio button is ticked, that is standard for publishing online and printing, so it's going to give a good quality of the PDF. Then just click on save and then your file will be converted to PDF and then you can open it up and all the text formattings have been retained. It looks exactly the same as our PowerPoint file or a PowerPoint presentation. Now the second way to convert it into PDF is to use printer. So just click on file and then print. Now under the printers, you can see Adobe PDF has been selected. Since my computer has Adobe Acrobat installed, that is why this virtual printer Adobe PDF has been added by it. But in case if it is not present in your computer, you can just select Microsoft Print to PDF. Since this is the default printer to convert a file into PDF by Microsoft, so it will be present in your computer. So you can just select it and then click on print. And then you can browse to the folder you want to save the PDF. And since this file is being created by the printer, so I'll just add printer at the end for comparison and then click on save. Alright, so the PDF has been created. Now the third method to convert a PowerPoint presentation into PDF is using an online portal. So I'll just open the Google Chrome, or you can use any browser that you want, and then search convert PPT to PDF. And under the result, you can open the first link, that is from ilovepdf.com. Just open it up. Then you can click on select PowerPoint files and then you can browse to the folder where you are keeping your PPT. Or the second method is to just drag and drop the file from your computer to the browser and the file will be uploaded automatically. And then finally you can just click on convert to PDF. Once the conversion is over, you can just click on download PDF and then you can open the folder in which the PDF has been downloaded. And here I'll change the name for the comparison later. Alright, so this was the third method. And if you want, you can just open the PDF and see. Here also all the text formattings have been retained. Now we are going to see the fourth method to convert a PPT into PDF. For the fourth method, I'm going to use Adobe Acrobat. If you have this software installed on your computer, it makes it very easy to work with the PDF files. If you don't have it, you can just skip the video. I have already showed 3 methods which you can use free of cost. But in case if you are having this Adobe Acrobat installed in your computer, then you can follow the fourth method also. So just right click on your file and then click on show more properties and then click on convert to Adobe PDF. Alright, then you can browse to the folder you want to save it, give it a name and then just click on save. And then the PDF will be created and opened up. Anyways, so these were the 4 options in which you can convert a PPT to a PDF. Now let's have a comparison in the file size of the PDF which have been created by these different 4 options or 4 methods. So the PDF which was created using the online portal has a file size of 1.5 MB. Then the PDF which was created by PowerPoint by directly saving it as a PDF has a file size of 733 KB. Then the PDF which was created by printing has a file size of 1.2 MB. And then finally, the PDF which was created by Adobe Acrobat has a file size of 690 KB. So I'm just stating the file size of the different PDF for comparison only. Now it is up to you which method you want to follow. Anyways, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.